hope you guys are having a great day today. My day's going pretty good. It's pretty chill. I'm just recording and I'm gonna go to work. So, but today, you might guess it, it's gonna be the April Boxy Charm video. Actually, I think it's April. Pretty sure it's April. But it's Boxy Charm. So I'm pretty excited. Boxy Charm last month was plug goals, plug life. So I know they're gonna have me happy today. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Finally, I'm prepared completely. Ooh, so cute. All right, let me get you guys like this. Get the people going. Let me show you guys the inside. Ooh, that's how it came. Right when I opened the box. Super cute. And it says Boxy Charm on it, and it's like a little coupon book, I think. Eye candy. Oh no, it tells me all of the products that I get in the box. Cool. So, first things first that I'm grabbing out is this. It is a high definition liquid lipstick. Oh, cute. The box is super cute. Let me go ahead and open it. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, wow. Whoa. This color gives me life goals. Like, this is really cute. And it's by Odessa, New York. Odessa? It's by Odessa, New York. And this is regularly $24. And it is a high definition liquid lipstick. Cute. Very cute. Let me see how high definition it is. The packaging is pretty cool. Like, I'm digging it. Get you with a little swash. Oh, this is so cute. Like, this is really, really nice. Like, look at that. Look at this thing. Okay, and then the next thing we have is a Tarte liquid highlighter. Ooh. I'm excited AF. Okay. And it's Tarteist Pro Glow. So let's go ahead and open this up, baby. Ooh, that's what it looks like in the package. This is regularly $29, so I'm pretty excited about that. Like, I don't think I've ever had a Tarte, actually, I lied. I have had something that was Tarte, but let's get the people go. Oh, this is so cute. Ooh, oh, it's so creamy. Oh my gosh. Look at the live gold. Look at that. Oh, so. Yeah, I'm about to, like, Boxy Charm, they about to win my subscriptions all day, every day. So the next thing we have is the brow gal. Oh, wow. Brown hair, instant brown hair, December 2, tinted brow gel with microfibers. Okay, cool. I have eyebrows though, so as you can see clearly. But that's cool, like. Maybe I'll give it to someone. But yeah. And that item is regularly $22. So it's probably pretty cool. And so the next thing, ooh, we got a ColourPop semi-precious shadow palette. Ooh, the box is so cute. It gives you life goals. Life goals, life goals, life goals. Alright, let's get into it. Oh, the box is messed up. Wow. But let's just open it. Oh, gosh. Look at that. Do you see how cute this is, first of all? And then second of all, they want to do you like this. Oh my gosh. So cute, so cute. I'm really enjoying this. And I really like getting this box because I don't really buy eyeshadows. And I kind of would like to start wearing eyeshadow, I guess, or whatever. But so it's nice to get it in these. But yes, cute AF, cute AF. Color Pop. I enjoy the brand. And this is regularly $26. Alright, the last item, but not the least, is a a vacuum cleanser. Oh, cool. A pore purifying mask. Plug! I love masks. Yes. Oh, looks like. And this is regularly $47. Wow, so I guess it's a really good mask. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. Cool, very cool. Definitely excited about this mask. Alright. Well, that's it for the Boxy Charm video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a quick one, but yes, I'm really happy about this Boxy Charm. Like, it's so cute. Like, oh my gosh, Boxy Charm is like life affirming, you know, life goals. Really plug, always. Like, it just makes more sense to get this every month than spending like, well, I guess you don't really buy makeup every month, but you could if you like really like makeup or whatever. But yes, Boxy Charm, good job. Love, love. I love yous.